Hey everyone, in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a 2D profile contouring in MasterCAM, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on the rectangle command. Then you check this option, anchor to center, okay? Now, you click on this point. Then you draw a rectangle like this. We're gonna add here 100 millimeter for the width and 100 millimeter for the height. Then you click on OK. Right click, G view isometric. Great. Now you go to machine, then mill, then default. You click on this plus sign, right click here, mill toolpaths. Then you click on contour. You choose the C-plan option, then you select this rectangle, you reverse the direction of this arrow, then you click on OK. Now for the tool, click here, select tool from library, click on filter, select the first option and mill one flat, then change it to equal, then right here 10 millimeter, then click on OK, select this tool, OK. Great. For the holder, we're gonna choose the second option. For the cut parameters, I'm gonna go to the depth cuts, I'm gonna activate this option, I'm gonna put here 0 as a value, no finish cutting. For the maximum rough step, I'm gonna add 5 millimeter, okay? For the lead in or out, I'm gonna change the line to perpendicular like this. And for the arc, I'm gonna add 0 for the radius and 0 for the sweep. The same thing here for the exit, okay? For the linking parameters, I'm gonna change the retract to absolute. The same thing for the feed plan, top of the stock, and the depth. For the depth, I'm gonna add here minus 15 millimeter, then click on OK. So we have 3 steps. Each one of them is 5 millimeter, okay? Now, if I click on the toolpath, then click on play, this is the first depth, 5 millimeter, the first step. Next, the second one. And then the third and the last one. And the total depth is 15 millimeter. Okay, so if you want to get this project or this 2D profile contouring program for free, you can visit the link mentioned in the description box below. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.